He was triggered by this biker for an unknown reason, and things almost boiled over when he confronted him face to face.
Bro,
move the goddamn shit out of the way when somebody pulls
dude,
up
get
on
the out of my face.
you. Touch me, you
I'm not going to get the go back to your pump and pump your
well, you mother need to get
dude, back off of me, dude. I'll stick you right in the goddamn face, bro. Don't touch me, bro. All on camera, you idiot. You just assaulted me, you moron. Get back in your shit, bro. Go back to your truck, old man. I'll knock you out, bro.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
If you weren't 100 years old, dude, I'd have your ass laid on the ground. Get back to your shit, bro. Go back to your shit. Go back to your shit. Fucking moron.
This biker tried to show appreciation for a truck driver's clean rig, but the driver confused his hand signals for something else. Things took an unexpected turn when a thank you turned into a confrontation. Have you ever had a gesture get misread?
I can't hear you, what? Huh?
I can't hear you. What's going on? I can't hear you. What was the middle finger for?
Sped up at us.
I didn't speed up at shit.
Why don't you get
I didn't speed up at shit.
Thanks for spitting on me, bud.
Yeah. Keep it up. Flip me off again.
You.
You're such a badass, you faggot.
This driver waited to ambush a group of bikers after a close call, but his plan backfired badly. He ended up taking a beating until his wife had to step in to save him. While riding with his friends, the unexpected happened. This biker's bike caught fire out of nowhere. His reaction is absolutely priceless.
Set on fire. Move it. Push it forward. Put the kickstand down. Kick it down.
You okay?
Yeah, we're okay. My bike caught on fire. Okay.
After being cut off dangerously close from behind, this rider couldn't contain his frustration and smashed the driver's side mirror.
What the f? What the f?
Just when it seemed like things couldn't get any more intense, what happened next left everyone absolutely stunned.
You wasn't even passing. What the f? No! What the f was that about?
Nothing. You didn't make room. You're like not.
Someone's merging onto the street. How are you just gonna f over? Get that fixed.
This rider faced another dangerous move from a driver, but this time he wasted no time at all. After a driver clipped this biker's rear tire, both the rider and passenger went down. Seeing red, the biker's only mission was to get that driver out of the car. It's a bad situation for everyone. Did the rider let his emotions get the better of him? When this biker saw a van flip onto its side, he didn't hesitate for a second. He immediately pulled over and helped get the driver and her toddler out safely.
Yo, call the cops! Can you turn the car off? I'll help you. Turn the car off.
Thank you.
Turn the car off.
Yeah, yeah.
Is your kid in there? Here, hold the door, hold the door. Come here, I got you. I need someone to help me now! Hold the door. Give me the kid,
The kid's lost and my toddler. It's just me.
I got her.
Relax.
I'm sorry.
Everything's fine. We got you, baby doll. It's okay, yeah. You're good, baby doll. We got you.
You good?
Honey, you're fine.
Can you call 911, please?
They're coming.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're good. I got you, come here. You're okay. Your daughter's fine. You're okay and your daughter's fine. You're okay. Here, come sit down.
I gotta come.
I got you.
Thank you.
You're good. Do you want water?
No, I'm okay. I just.
Your daughter's right here. She's fine.
Please call 911.
These bikers gathered in an empty parking lot just to practice wheelies and have some fun, but they never expected things to go this south. Watch the moment their practice session turned into a total disaster.
Here, we'll
My backyard.
sorry.
You guys going up and down and up and down.
Do you want us to leave? Do you want us to leave?
Well, you do whatever you want. I'll just do what I do.
Okay, we can just leave.
Even after the group offered to leave the lot, this man insisted on filming and taking photos of the riders. This biker lady was the most upset of the group, and you can see why.
For what? Exactly for what? What are you doing? You need to take pictures of shit. Just go. We're gonna leave. We're gonna go. What do you need to take pictures for?
Don't get hostile.
You just need to go.
You need to go?
It's as simple as asking us to
Yeah, that's it. You don't have to come up here and take pictures. Just tell us to leave. You live right here?
You do whatever you want.
We're not on your property, we're not in your yard, it's not noise pollution. It's not
Exactly.
after
You can
10.
just tell us to leave. Do you need to come and take pictures? That's all you need to do. Then just tell us to leave.
If you don't mind, dude, we're just gonna leave.
Okay, good.
So do you have to be weird? You have to be that weird old dude?
I'm a weird asshole dude now?
What are you
Get off your
doing?
bike.
Huh?
I'm a weird asshole dude?
Why are you
Get off
being
your
weird?
bike then.
You're the one taking
Why are you sitting here taking pictures? Why are you being weird? We can just leave and you can be cool.
You won't leave. You're going to keep driving.
Do you know that? You don't know that, do you?
Catch you with this video.
Huh?
How they catch you with this one? This one ran more than that one.
He'll never catch me.